Hello my darling, it's Dean back with another video, another thrift haul of course. And this thrift haul is actually like a culmination of like 3 different stores, because I went to one store yesterday in Miami Gardens, one deep in the heart of Miami, and then, or 2 in Miami. Anyway, this is like 3 stores worth. And so what you find is that when you put more time and effort into reselling, you realize that the bulk of your time is really going to listing and not shopping. And so I've been spending a lot more time just listing, and not that much time shopping. But, you know, I can't stay out of the stores, especially those eloquy that I'm finding. Oh my God. Anyway, oh, big news. Big news. So I will be this Saturday, I will be at the Fashion Revolution event. I will leave a link to the Eventbrite in my description, and I'll leave like a blurb here somewhere. I'll be doing my first pop-up shop. I get asked so many times to do a pop-up shop, and I'm like, why would I do a pop-up shop? I'm on eBay and Poshmark, but I'm gonna take a few racks of clothing, and I'm also gonna be attending their huge swaps, like the biggest swap in Miami. But I'll leave the information down there. But it's Saturday, April 28th. If you're in South Florida, it's huge. I'm also gonna be doing a workshop on spring thrift trends, just like my book. Anyway, let's get into the haul. So, the first thing I want to show you is this. So I found this. This was $2, and I was in there looking for dishes, as I always do. I always go looking through the dishes at Goodwill, and this was there. And I like to say, or I like to think that God leaves me little love notes everywhere I go. So when I saw this, I was like, oh, thank you, Jesus. I am loved. So I'm gonna put this somewhere up here. But you know what? I got this. Remember this that I got? And I still have not put it up. Remember this that I got? Yeah, I still haven't put it up. So when I put this up, this will be up too. For the meantime, they're going to be along my back wall, stood up on their side, so that when I come in, I can see that I'm loved and that I have amazing stuff. So there you go. So let's go ahead. It was half off of orange this week. And so there's not going to be like any particular order. You guys know that I love the pants. I don't think I bought any tops. Or maybe I did, I don't remember. But I got these. These are, I can't remember the brand, but I've bought them before. XCVI. If it's something else, you guys will let me know. But I bought this brand before, and it sold for me. This was blue tag, so it was regular price $3, but I purchased it before and it sold. So I said, you know what, I'm gonna try my hand at it again. Of course, all the pants at Goodwill in South Florida are $3. So you know what, for $3 I'm gonna go ahead and invest in this. So, and some of these pieces I'm going to be taking to the pop-up shop. I think I'm gonna focus mainly on my designer pieces. Maybe I'll do a live. Let me know if you're on Instagram. I may jump on and do an Instagram live of pieces that I'm taking to the pop-up on the 28th. Because I've done like one pop-up in Dallas and it was okay. I had like 4 or 5 customers. The thing that's different with this pop-up is that I'm one of many vendors, and I think there were like 150 people or 250 people that attended the swap last year. That was just a swap, not even the workshops or anything. And so, you know, I'm hoping that I get to meet a bunch of people and share my love of fab finds. So please come, please come. These are some Not Your Daughter jeans, size 14 petite. Not jeans, sorry. Not Your Daughter jeans, but they are the dress pants. Sorry, I'm like underneath this bright light, so it might, okay, there we go. It's just some regular dress pants, and these were $3. But of course, labels. Not Your Daughter's jeans, they do sell for me. They take a little longer than other brands, but I don't care. As long as they eventually sell, I'm fine with that. I don't want to throw these on the floor. Let me put these right here. And then Theory, I always buy Theory. Whenever I see Theory, I mean, at $3 a pop, and more off if it's like half off, whatever, half off week. This was just, and it's the old label, something like that, because it's $3. Like, I don't price them really high, and this is the old label as well. So you want to take that into consideration. Has a little bit of snagging back here, so I may actually just like, I don't know. It may go back to Goodwill. I didn't notice that when I bought it. See that? I don't know if you can see it. We'll see. It may go back in the donation pile. It may be donated back to Goodwill. We'll put it over here for right now. These are going to the pop-up shop, and I'll show you why. Oh no! Oh no, is the zipper broken? Oh, even better, it's going to the pop-up shop. Somebody who loves... Oh no! Oh my gosh, I'm like so in love with these pants. Oh, I'm gonna take them to the pop-up shop. Hopefully somebody who loves stuff like this can fix it. But look at the top of that. Isn't that cute? That is adorable. And they're like tuxedo pants. Oh my gosh, these are so cute. I love this right here. I love that. Oh, but the zipper, I'm gonna take it. The thing with Fashion Revolution is that it's all about recycling clothing, and so if you have a busted zipper, or you have, you know, a button that's come off, teaching you how to take care of that. So I'm gonna take these. Are gonna go. I'm gonna throw these. Ooh, score! All right, let me put these back in here. All right, so let's go into here. So this is Pinko. Pinko is actually, I think this is all orange. Yeah, this is all orange. So Pinko is actually a European brand that has made its way over here, and I know that because I want a Pinko bag. They have like the signature bag that you can actually like have your name on the front, and so I'm familiar with the brand, so I bought it because I'll put it on eBay. This is definitely something that'll go on eBay versus Poshmark. I got this Marc Jacobs skirt. Now Marc Jacobs, Marc by Marc Jacobs, is not the highest seller for me, so when I get it, I know that it's probably not going to make that much money for me, but I will get it because it's just part of my brand and never paying retail and having the best stuff in my store. So yep, this was half off of $4 or $5. These jeans I actually found now in my guide, for those of you that have got my how to find designer pieces. Remember when I talk about going, sorry, I'm like flashing you guys, hold on, let me get my life right, hold on. I know I've been getting like extra super service today because all the men are seeing my tatas. Okay, so I found these in the men's section. Remember when I talked about finding stuff in the men's section? This is an example of that. So yeah, that's an example of that. These are some flare. These are the BDG Groupie Flare High Rise. Flare, wide leg. That's all is pastel. This pastel color, like salmon color. This is all hot for the season. So there we go. I got these nearly, once again, this brand sells for me. I've bought 2 pairs so far, and they've both gone out at like $40 a pop. Nili Lotan. So, and these were half off. So like $2. This is all pants, y'all. This is Sandro. I have not sold Sandro before, but it was half off of $3. I said I will try it out on eBay. This is the brand. It's like one of those kind of like, no, it's not like a, I want to say it's a Macy's brand. Correct me if I'm wrong, but it's in that same kind of contemporary professional wear. Talbot's jeans sell for me. This heritage jean is a moneymaker for me, and so I will continue to purchase it. I've purchased them in 4s and 6s and 18s, and they sell. So the Talbot's heritage jean. There's that. Talbot's in general does okay for me. I don't know. It generally does okay for me. What is this? This is going to the pop-up shop. This is very South Florida. Let me button this. This is a romper. This is very South Florida. So this is going to the pop-up. And it's just a romper, but the color is amazing. Just a simple romper with the back out. You know, Florida chica lindas, honey. Yes, I love that. That is so sexy. I don't know who's out here with no bra, but somebody. It's not me, obviously. Lord, I keep on flashing y'all. Oh. and this is like one of my favorite rompers from Forever 21. I have the black one, the tan one, and this one. And my husband's like, why do you wear it? You're always fiddling with it. I'm like, I'm only fiddling with it because I'm trying to be modest. Because if I'm trying to just be myself, I'll just let the boobs fall where they may. But I'm trying to be respectful of you as my husband. But I can let them out. I mean, I have no bones about it. I got these. These are Blue Dot. And I got these because I like the back. I like that. So these are going to go to the pop-up shop. I like the back. And I like the pockets. Yeah, I like that. Only a few more pieces. Okay, so who are these? These are Chico's. So I'm buying more Chico's because Chico sells for me. It's not something typically that I carry, but you know what? If it sells, I'm gonna buy it. So Chico's design, I'm gonna see how this flies. It was half off of $3. I'm gonna see how this goes, and if it sells, I'm gonna buy more. I'm going to buy more. And then I got this. This is just Lafayette 148. You know, for some, it's kind of like Theory, in that for some people it sells, for some people it doesn't. I hold on to it for a while, but it does sell. Half off of $3, I'm gonna buy it. Like, I'm not gonna I'm gonna buy it. It can sit there for a little bit as long as it sells. Okay. So then this last piece, I want your advice, because hold on, let me put this back. I want your advice. So I got it initially to put in the pop-up shop. I have a few plus size items that are going in the pop-up shop, right? But then I was like, you know, I'm going to this wedding, and I keep on saying baby shower. Gosh, I keep on saying baby shower. Am I being prophetic? Is this something that I need to ask them? So I was thinking about wearing this for the bridal shower, and I'll tell you why. Look at this. Oh, this is the top, but this is the bottom. Look at the bottom. It's like little chest pieces, and I thought they'd be so cute with some cute little either cream dress sandals or some black. You guys know I'm like itching to get my Louboutin Pigalle plateaus, and so I'm gonna see how the real money is acting, because you know, I'm gonna see how much money I got saved in the real. I don't know. I thought it may be a little too dark, but this is Bay and Dot by ModCloth, and it was only $2.50. So I'm like, why am I going out there to ASOS and buying something when I can wear this? And I could actually wear this to the wedding if I really dressed it up, because it's that kind of material. I really like the bottom. I think it's so unique. I'm gonna see. I'll try it on for you guys, because I have some other plus size pieces that I need to show you. Anyway, that's it. Love you, would never pay retail. I need to get my stuff together and list. Anyway, Saturday the 28th, if you are in South Florida, please come by and see me. I will leave the link to the Eventbrite, and buy your tickets. Come and shop, swap, and attend my workshop. Oh, it's from 2 to 6. From 2 to 6 p.m. All right, love you, would never pay retail. Mwah. Bye.